The water hyacinth, which is believed to have been brought into India as an ornamental plant and subsequently developed into one of the biggest problems faced by the rivers and water bodies here. It is one of the biggest and most damaging invasive species present here. And this year, during the floods in Assam, we saw the kind of havoc it can create to water bodies and to the flow of water. In the recent floods in Assam, we have come across many videos which have been uploaded on YouTube showing the number of footbridges being destroyed by the pressure of water hyacinth. And here also on a bridge in Assam, we can see the amount of water hyacinth which has been stocked up behind this bridge due to the non flowing of them. And on the other side, we can see that the water is extremely clear and flowing easily, and it was only due to the presence of water hyacinth that the water flow is stopped. Here is another location where we find the same problem, huge amount of water hyacinth being piled up behind the bridge, and this considerably slowed the flow of water and caused considerable flooding in the area. And as we move across to the other side, we find that the whole water hyacinth was blocked due to the bridge, and as such it had hampered the flow of water to a considerable extent. The presence of such water and problems it created necessitated huge response from the government, and huge amount was spent to get rid of these water hyacinth and to clear the river so as to ensure that all the water flow is done easily. Here we can see how mechanical excavators are being used to clear a pathway for the water to flow and to ensure that flood waters decrease in time. We can see the amount of work required to remove the water hyacinth from the flow of part of water and to free the water. So we can see the number of problems created by it. You can see as the amount of water hyacinth which had accumulated. As we move on to the other side, we can see that as the water hyacinth is being cleared, the water hyacinth is also now flowing downstream, and also the amount of water flowing under the bridge has increased to a huge extent, which has caused the water level on the flood prone areas flood affected areas to come down to a large extent. Here is another area which was severely affected by the water hyacinth, where manually the water hyacinth is being removed to ensure that the problem is get rid of and the water flow is ensured. Now we come to area where the water here we can see that the water channel has been get rid of the water incident, and the water is flowing easily now and reducing the water level everywhere in the flood affected areas. And also this entire incident brings us to mind as why invasive species must not be introduced in under environment, the danger and havoc which it can create.